Welcome back to day 27 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Today is what would be considered plan and play day in FlyLady land. And for today's baby step, we're going to plan our dinners for the rest of the week. So be thinking about what you want for dinner. And one tip I may have is check what you have in your home first and plan around that. A reverse meal planning, if you will. Or you may consider theme days depending on what your family preference is. For example, meatless Mondays, Taco Tuesday, so on and so forth. Be sure to write this one down in your habits, but it will only be done once a week on Tuesdays typically, but be sure to do what works for you. And let's be sure that we're keeping up with all of our habits that we have started from the beginning. We're almost done with this challenge. We have so many habits so far, so be sure to check your freebie to see what those may be. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 28 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.